Fort Aguada is a 17th century Portuguese era fort along with a lighthouse right in Goa. So let's explore this Portuguese fort with me.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age.
If we think of Goa as party, this, that, but I think this is one of the most historic places of Goa. And it's one of the famous fort called the Aguda or something like that. And most of the tourists do come here. And a lot of things are very famous over here. I think it's mainly for the ships and all that because during the war, I think some ship history is there. I'm not really sure about it. I need to read there. But if you ask me the cost, it's actually very far from this main city. And what I did is I rented a bike and I started taking a ride on the bike, and then the parking fees for the bike is 50 rupees, which is a total scam because there is no place, proper parking space, no proper shed, nothing. You can park wherever you want, which is the biggest scam I feel. Just parking on the road, for that I have to pay 50 rupees is total bullshit. And then the entry fees for adults is 25 and for kids I think it's half of it, but that is offline. But if you have online, if you have UPI or anything, then just go to the website, there's a QR scanner, just click and save 5 rupees in that. So online it's 20 and offline it's 25. So and then I'm literally walking. As you can see, those are the biggest scammers. Like there's the biggest scam, like it's literally nothing over here. It just gives me this weird vibe and it's very sunny. I have worn a sweatshirt and a lot of people will ask me why am I wearing, because I don't want to get tan. It's really very hot and I so wish I had an umbrella or something. But just a small tip, I know there are a lot of shops outside, like a lot of shops, just get your own water bottle because the water bottle cost is also a little higher. Anything you buy here is always high and it's very hot. That's the timing of the fort. I've come literally in the afternoon at 1 and it's crowded. Such a nice breeze. I think that's the only best part of Agoda. So if you ask me if this place is really worth it or not, I would say if you want to know some history and if you're okay to travel this far and to spend some 20-25 rupees, it's okay, not bad I would say. There's nothing, just a huge space, nice couple vlogs or couple videos or photo shoots you can do, and your kids can have some nice fun with history. You can walk well. If you are not a walker, then just forget coming here because there are stairs, yes, but of course there's wheelchair access as well. And if you don't know the history, just don't do stupidity like that guy opening the door. And look at them. Oh god. So just if you come to such places, it's okay. I would say not that wow. There's nothing else if you want to explore. Just a typical normal fort with a nice view. You can enjoy the pictures, and that's it. One pro tip: carry your own water bottle because there's nothing inside, and it's really very hot, and you will obviously get dehydrated. And if you have umbrella, just carry, or just wear a jacket like me. I know it's very hot. I'm stupid, but I can protect my skin a little bit at least. And carry your glasses and sunscreen, lot more. If you have kids along with you, just make sure you get some snacks because there's literally nothing, and you have to walk literally at least a kilometer, I would say. And it's nothing, just a square shaped fort, and that's it. And that side you can see the road, this side you can see the entrance, that side you can see the beach. That's it. The sea, that's it. I would say nothing else is there. So if you ask me if it's worth it or not, I would say one time yes. If you are interested, just come, enjoy the whole view. But after 5:30 you're not allowed, so you have to come only during the sun, very bright sun. And just make a small important tip that come during the weekday, because weekend really will be very crowded, because right now on a weekday itself it's this crowded, so I'm sure weekend will also be very crowded. And I think that's it about this whole thing. And if you want to enjoy, if you guys want to just come here, just enjoy, have some nice fun picnic type of fun with your family, friends. That's it. I hope you guys like, enjoy, and thank you.